Good day viewers, thank you for clicking on my video. This is Utap. For the last 20 years I have been in the industry and experiencing human resources. My purpose in creating this channel is sharing knowledge from end to end. If you are searching for any content on YouTube or other media, you must get something, but you will not get the complete information in sequence with proper navigation. In my knowledge sharing session, I will try to describe it with a proper process and configuration. And you must be happy to know all the details. After viewing my content, if you observe that it is helpful, then subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. They are also can be benefited by knowing the details. If anything is on your mind, you can give your comment in the descriptions. I will check one by one and try to provide the answer. Whatever I will show in my learning discussion, like logo, screen or product, it will be basically developed by SAP. And my channel is thankful to this organization for providing us a good career path. At any cost, I and my channel are not claiming anything, like the logo, the screen and the products are owned by SAP, and I am just sharing this for knowledge purpose and I don't have any commercial intention. One more point before we start our discussion, I will provide the link in the description from where you can visit my channel and follow the playlist. You will get module wise knowledge. Apart from knowledge, this channel will discuss how you can build your career in HR and job opportunities. That's all for the intro. Now we are going to start our topic for today.